Oh god. This is so sad.
Okay, comms turned off and we're not camouflaged, which is good.
What?
Literally said that he's going after Alan. He must have shot Alan and then killed Alan.
Oh my god.
That's so funny, racing. You actually threw.
The bodies next to each other.
The bodies were right next to each other.
Unless you're the imposter trying to throw us off.
You're the imposter, bro. This is like this.
No, I trust. I am not.
Set up right now because what am I?
One thing I don't.
I honestly don't care.
Wait, what? Why am I being voted? What the frick?
Bro, there's no way, bro. There's no way.
What the hell are you guys, bro? Oh my.
Edward.
I'm trying to.
I know it's Edward. I know
This
it's
is so
Edward.
brain dead.
Unless I'm actually like stupid. Yeah, okay.
Basics, you dumbass! Basics!